Hey, Josh here, and how would you like to fully partner with me and copy all of my current and new affiliate marketing campaigns? Check it out. We're actually logged into the members area of the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator, and we're in the income stream section, and you can see all of these different programs that I promote, along with exactly how to import all the assets directly into your account so you can immediately start generating leads and sales right off of the bat. So far, we've got 5 different current affiliate opportunities that I've promoted successfully, and you're able to take the email campaigns, the video assets, and everything in between that I've used to create success with each and every one of these affiliate opportunities. So how would you like to copy these and really get access to this for $1 trial for the next 14 days? So you can really test it out and see if it's something that you want to continue forward with. You see, people struggle with creating capture pages, creating email follow-ups, creating content. And what I've done is I've eliminated all of that guesswork and I've done it all for you. So if you want to get already done for you high converting affiliate campaigns that I've created that I'm then passing off to you so you can fully partner with me, click the link below, make your payment for $1 to go ahead and try this out. And every single month, we're adding new campaigns, new content. I also do weekly training, and you're also getting access to the latest traffic strategies that I'm using right now inside of my business. So go ahead, just for $1, test this out. You can also scroll down and check out the details of exactly what you're getting in writing, so you can be assured that when you log into the members area, you'll be delivered exactly what was promised. So go ahead, try this out, get access to my done for you campaigns on a monthly basis by simply clicking the link below, and I look forward to seeing you inside of the members area.